Hi guys, welcome to Saturday NFT show. NFTs have been pumping and dumping, and the ApeCoin has totally changed the things that have been going on in the NFT markets because it's gonna become one of the prime projects, top 1 projects, top 10 projects that has released a token. We haven't seen a token coming out in other projects yet, and there's a lot of speculation also about ApeCoin's token, whether it's gonna be doing something good for the ecosystem, the DAO, what it's exactly going to be about. There's still a lot of confusion about that in the markets, so we have to be very careful while aping into the ape coin because anything can happen to the apes. We've seen that it pumped very hard, then it's just been sideways and trading about from $10 range to about $15 range. It's been in this bracket. Before recording this video, it was about $12 to $13. Though I already have a Bored Ape Club, I did get some airdrops, but I'm just holding it on to it. I don't want to sell it or do much with it right now because I'm very scared that probably if I am gonna sell something out and then I'm gonna be foaming and missing out on it later. So probably I'm just gonna hold it, watch what it's gonna be doing in the future, and probably then decide what I'm gonna be doing with that. The reason that's so important for our discussion today is because if you look at top NFTs all time on Opensea, you can clearly see that we have CryptoPunks dominating the markets completely. And even CryptoPunks went up about 58% in the last 24 hours. And if you look at both the Ape Club projects, we can clearly see that they aren't really gaining as much momentum as they had done in 24 hours. Ever since the coin came out, actually there's too much confusion right now, because if you own a Bored Ape Yacht Club and you bought it for a lot of ETH, you are now wondering, yes, I did get an airdrop, but I want it to be exclusive, right? That's the reason I bought one. And even Universal Music has bought an Ape just recently, and they're going to be launching that to use Metaverse as music concerts and different activities that the company is going to be doing. So this is something very exciting right now in the markets as well, but then it just takes away your exclusivity and it also brings a lot of FUD for you. So we can clearly see in the top from all time, we have CryptoPunks, Bored Ape, Mutant Ape, Decentraland, Artblock, The Sandbox, CloneX, Azuki, Rarible, Meebits. That's about it. We can count Cool Cats as well, Doodles, Decentraland wearables, but then obviously Decentraland and The Sandbox are more like selling land here than they are. Just wearables is on number 13. But overall, if we look at all the other projects, they're all related to Bored Ape Canal Club. 3 projects already from the same ecosystem. So there's a lot of fun about it. My recommendation would be just if you want to get something, just get it, wait for some kind of pullback at $6, $7, $8. Don't buy now, it's just already too expensive. And in today's video, we can see in the last 7 days, Bored Ape has gained momentum because of the coin as well and other factors that are surrounding the Bored Ape Club right now. CryptoPunks have gone down to number 4. All the 3 projects in the 7 days are ranking now on top 3. But today we're going to be discussing Muri Haus. That is going to be a very interesting project. So let's jump into that project right now, and we can see Muri Haus was created by Muri NFT Lawyer, and about they have 10k items, 6.8k owners, and the floor price is about 0.644, which is very reasonable. Volume traded is also very reasonable right now. Welcome to home of Muri Haus on Opensea. Discover the best items in this collection. So let's jump into their website. Before we look into the art, we can clearly see it's going to be an enemy Metaverse, which is going to be coming out very soon. The token of Muri. So they are also going to be having a token with the idea in mind of building our own ecosystem around the Metaverse. We plan to release a token earned Muri holders. We plan to integrate it in any way as a currency to purchase further goods such as physical places or in-game currency for something planned in the future. Launching the token planned in Q1. So then we are going to be having Muri Enemy, which is going to be, as these will be released as a whole enemy around the story of Muri and the future of her. This is going to be a story about it. It's going to be probably having in Q1 and Q2 as well. Then they're also going to have some physical toys with the idea mind and combines physical and virtual. We had the idea to release high quality models of each Muri character playing a part in the story. So they're going to be having some kind of character toys as well related to their project, which is a very good idea. We haven't seen that yet happening in a lot of projects. So brilliant idea there, must give them credit where it is due. Then they're going to be having 6 unique DNAs that is going to be in the Muriverse. We will deliver 6 unique DNAs plus extra features and traits coming along those. Below are 3 highlighted Muri characters playing a role in the whole story. So this is Mika. Then we're going to be having Lizzie, the hunter. Then we have Demon Z, which is overlooker of Muri. Z is known for being the origin of the demon roots, playing a big role in the Muri enemy. Then if we look at it overall, website looks very good. Project is very simple, pretty straightforward, which is a very good idea. I like to have clarity in projects. We don't want to have a lot of fun going around. So as usual, this is going to be a hidden art until or unless you buy these items, then only you're going to be finding out. So we can't really discuss about the art here right now. So we can jump into the activity and see what the project actually offers us right now, because we are in some kind of a bear market in our NFTs. So we don't want to share too many projects right now. We want to be very, very cautious. So I studied this project before actually sharing it with you guys. So we can see here it had a very good upside, started at around 0.66, then has just had a downfall about 0.47, and then also had another downfall about 0.5366, and right now it's just trading in the regions of 0.6335. So the project has had a lot of moments of its where it went up, where it went down, but overall the project idea is very, very good. And obviously we have a Japanese artist behind that. We always like to discuss that Japanese projects offer a lot more than other projects in the world, because Japanese are known for their art, known for their comics, known for their movies, videos, everything, because they always think outside the box. The floor is trading about $18.85, $1,900, and it can also go down to almost similar ranges of $18.97, $18.85. Even if you look at the prices been selling, activity is very, very good. 3 minutes, 39 minutes, 42 minutes, an hour ago. So continuously people are trying to ape into this project. And if you look at the highest, actually they bought two. This guy had, I guess he really liked the project, so he aped into two right away. Probably because this project right now has a very, very good hype. The idea itself of the project is very, very good. So it's about, you can say, $1,850 to about $1,900. You can ape into this project. Definitely the project looks good. That's the reason I like to share the website with you as well. I'm going to put a link in the description as well, so you can always check them out and do your own research. So from Opensea, I'm not going to be doing too much searches here, because I'm very, very afraid right now to offer you guys any project that's not going to make it. There's so much part also in the NFT market space right now. So we just have to be very cautious. Now we're going to get into our projects on gate.io, because that's the best place for us to get some cheap and reasonable priced NFTs. There's no gas fees. That's the best thing about it here. So if you want to get into gate.io, all you have to do is click in the link given in the description below. Use my referral link. It's going to give you a lot of free airdrops, trading discounts, and a lot of other additional factors as well. So you need to use that if you want to ape into these projects. So if we jump into 7 days, last 7 days, especially on Gate NFTs, top NFTs, the most popular NFTs, artists, collectors at gate.io magic box. So we can clearly see Anonverse Tower NFT is right now really, really making its ranks on this project. And the reason for that has to be because we can clearly see that is this going to be another game sort P2E plus Anonverse. So we can definitely understand why this project is getting floor is about $300, a lot reasonable. So if you can't afford the Muri, then you can get into this. This almost about $1,500 difference here right now. So that is a very, very good sign for you as well. Total assets about 500, and it's already has about 20 to 30 owners as well. So if you look at Anonverse, it's going to be a crypto war in a tower defense game where you take the role of cybersecurity expert to fight against hackers and other blockchain threats in the cyberpunk metaverse fiction. So this is going to be an interesting project, another project that is hidden itself, so we can't really see and ape into the art here and understand what exactly the art has to offer us. There are also some of them going all the way up to 2 ETH, but the floor price is about 2,999, so that's going to be all right, almost around $300, which is very, very reasonable compared to Metaverse or Ethereum projects right now on Opensea, because you have to pay gas fees on top of the amount of that is offered by the creator. So that's a lot of problems right now, and we all know that the gas fees in ETH really, really kills your interest right now. So we look at activity here, we can clearly see 43 minutes, 53 minutes, 7 hours. We've had 21 hours, one day, because the project just came out recently. So if you want, you definitely want to ape into a project that you don't have, especially when it comes to NFTs, P2E, Metaverse / games, you have to get into this project. Very reasonable price, because I don't think you can get it for $300 anywhere else. Now we jump into Anonverse website. We can see that they're gonna also be offering their own coins for them to have their own ecosystem. They're also gonna have Vcash, their own DAO, V Launchpad, then Anon and Declaration. And it's also on Binance, so you can even get it on Binance NFTs if you want. Overall, the project looks very, very good. The idea itself is very, very good. Even if you look at their art here, which is going to be something that I hope we're going to get when we are going to be unlocking them as well. And onwards will be given to the users of Axie Infinity, Mobox, The Sandbox, Farmers World, Crypto Mines, Alien Worlds, Binary X, Raka, Star Shark, etc. The NFT of gaming, farming, not transferable, 21,000 airdrops, first come, first serve. So we're going to be expecting them to be coming very, very soon. The first airdrops have already started for 21,000 NFTs, which is from 16 March to 20th March. Tomorrow is going to be the last day to avail them. Then we have Snapshot, Then we're going to be and remains today, registered and claimable as well. Some people can claim them. And then the airdrops include all the people who are part of these games and they have some kind of Anonverse relationship with them. Then everybody already knows what Anon is about. So obviously we know Anon from the movie of When V for Vendetta and other things as well. So I'm going to put the link of this project below. If you want, you can check it out. For me, I will definitely be aping into this project because I think need to collect more game projects, because obviously there is going to be a massive upside coming when it comes to game projects. Then always everybody want to have some kind of project they can just buy it, not much expensive, and also has some kind of good value to it also. So this is not going to be like CryptoPunks, but this is a copy for you in a way of Bubble Pixels, which shows CryptoPunks as well. So they have about 490 owners, 490 items, and 72 owners. The floor is very cheap. It's about only at $4. So definitely if you want to buy this, you can buy this. They have so many CryptoPunks converted into Bubble Pixels, so you can clearly see that they are now a Bubble Pixel and just not a regular CryptoPunk. So if we jump here, you can clearly see it looks very beautiful. For some people, they really like this project. For myself, I thought it's not for me. I really like detailed art and art that has utility. So if you want, you can get into this project as well. This is going to be a definite buy, especially if you are just getting into Gate NFTs. This is going to be your chance. So Bubble Pixels, a very good buy if you want to get into it. Then for myself, I have been aping into a lot of projects, especially on Gate. So I bought myself a Sweet Girl, I bought 2 loser coins, and now I'm still looking to buy a Sweetie Tiger. So that's all for the NFT show today, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's what keeps me motivated. And yes, if you are excited what we're gonna be doing on Gate tomorrow's tutorial, we're gonna be teaching you guys how to mint NFTs, create your own collection, bid, buy, and offer. So do tune in for that too. Take care, guys. Bye bye.